Now students will see some problems in which we will find the number of elements, greatest elements in union and intersection of two sets. So we'll solve the problem. Let A and B be two sets. Let A and B be two sets and U be the universal set. U be the universal set such that number of elements in A is 25, number of elements in B is 28, and number of elements in universal set is 50. Is it 50? Yes. Okay. So we have to find the greatest value. Find the greatest value of number of elements in A union B, and the list. Sorry, I think I said list, greatest value for intersection also. It is the least value of intersection of A and B. Now students, we have seen the problems in which we found the number of elements in the given sets A and B by using these three quantities. Then we found the number of elements in union of two sets. Then in intersection we found in the difference of two sets we found the number of elements. Now the greatest value of number of elements in A union B and the least value of intersection of A and B. Now how to find this? Now students, we have number of elements in A and B that are 28 and number of elements in universal set is 50. Students, we know that A union B is a set which is contained in universal set. Okay, so obviously the number of elements in A union B is less equal to number of elements in universal set. Is it clear? So the number of elements in universal set are 50, that is equals to 50. If it is equal to this 50, so it will be less equal to number of elements in A union B is less equal to 50. Getting? So what is the greatest value for elements, number of elements in the union of A and B? That is 50. Getting this point? Okay. You students, you also write with me. If you will write, then only you will understand. Okay. So the value, first one, the greatest value for union of two sets, number of elements in the union of two sets is 50. Now students, what we have to find? The least value of intersection of A and B. For this, we should know the formula, that is number of elements in A union B plus number of elements in number of elements in A union B equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So if this is equal to this and this we have now less equal to 50. So this quantity is also less equal to 50. So but number of elements in A union B less equal to 50. So we have number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B is also less equal to 50. Okay, and we have number of elements in A and B is there. So which is 25 plus 28. This we will shift to this side and 50 will take this side. So minus 50 less equal to number of elements in A intersection B. See student, when equal sign is there, in that case we are shifting from left to right, right side. So in that case, whatever the changes in plus and minus sign, same changes will do here also. Okay, so we'll treat it as an equal sign so that it will be convenient to change or to shift in both the sides. So 25 plus 28, that is 53. 53 minus 50 less equal to number of elements in intersection of A and B, that is 3. Now we can rewrite this number of elements in A intersection B is greater equal to 3. So what is the least value for the intersection of number of elements of intersection of A and B, that is 3. Getting? So these two values are 50 and 3. Getting, student? It is quite we cannot say difficult, but tricky question is there, in that you should think that what will be the greatest and what will be the least value. Getting? Now we'll take next question. In that, if A and B are two sets and U be the universal set such that number of elements in U, same question, such that number of elements in the universal set, number of elements in A and number of elements in B is given, I think. So it is number of elements in U is 700, 200 and 100. In B it is given, and in B there are 300 elements, and in number of elements in A intersection B is 100 it is given. Find number of elements in A complement intersection with B complement. Okay, so the question is, if A and B are two sets such that two sets and U be the universal set such that number of elements in U, that is 700, number of elements in set A is 200, number of elements in set B is 300, and in intersection 100. Okay, and we have to find number of elements in A complement intersection with B complement. Now students, we know that A complement intersection with B complement is equals to A union B its complement. We have seen the De Morgan's law. Now the number of the set A union B complement is nothing but universal set minus A union B. Okay, and for finding the intersection of complement of two sets, we need the value for number of elements in U and number of elements in union of two sets A and B. So easily we can find the number of elements for union of A and B because we have these all three quantities. Okay, so we have A complement intersection B complement is this. So number of elements in A complement intersection with B complement is number of elements in U minus number of elements in A union B. So here also you can put the formula and you can find the value, otherwise we'll write it separately. So we have A number of elements in A union B is number of elements in A union B is number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So number of elements in A are 200 plus this is 300, and in intersection 100 elements are there. So 500 minus 100, that is equals to 400. So number of elements in A union B is 400. Now we put this value here, and number of elements in universal set, that is 700. So number of elements in A complement intersection with B complement is number of elements in universal set minus number of elements in A union B, that is 700 minus 400. So this is equals to 300. So how many elements are there in the complement of complement of a set, or we can say intersection of complement of two sets. See student, no need to means what we can say when we are seeing like these problems, that how to find the complementary, how to find the elements of the complement of a set, how to find the intersection of complement of a set. So if you know the how to find the forms, or you can use the Venn diagrams also for that, and easily by using the formula you can solve these questions. Okay, now we'll see the next question. In the next question, in a group of 800 people, this is word problem now. In a group of 800 people, we'll write this question. In a group of 800 people, 550 can speak Hindi 550 can speak Hindi and 450 can speak English and 450 can speak English. How many can speak both Hindi and English? How many can speak both Hindi and English? Now students, we have what it is given. See, in a group of 800 people. Now students, so many times you are getting confused that whether to take like this quantity as a universal number of elements in the universal set or in the union. So for this we should read any word problem thrice, so that in the first reading you are understanding that problem 50% only. In the second reading you are getting that problem 70 to 80%, and in the third reading you are getting exactly what to do. Okay, so every time whenever the word problem is there, whether in your CBSE board examination or in the what we can say competitive examination, you read that problem thrice. Okay, so we have in a group of 800 people, 550 can speak Hindi and 450 can speak English. Now students, we have will denote number of people that are that can speak Hindi, will denote it by H. So N of H is 550. For English will denote E. So number of elements in E is equal to 450. Now what they have asked, how many can speak both Hindi and English? So we have to find number of elements in H intersection E. Okay, now student, we know the form that in which we have number of elements in union of two sets, in that in a set A, set B and intersection we should know, then only we can find. But here only two quantities are given, they have asked intersection. So how the value 800 can be the number of elements in universal set? It is the value for number of elements in two sets, then and then only we can find this value. Getting? So don't consider this value as a universal set elements, or we can say number of elements in the universal set. So in so many problems such values we have to consider as a universal set, but you have to read it properly, like these questions in which we have to consider whether the value in a union of sets, or we can say the value as a number of elements in union of two sets or in the universal set, means number of elements in the universal set. Okay, now we have this value will consider here as the number of elements in the union of two sets. So what we have given, number of elements in union of set H and U, means 800 people are there in the union. 800 people can speak Hindi as well as what? English, or we can say the people which have considered as number of quantity is 800, they can speak either Hindi or English. Okay, now we have to find the number of people that can speak both Hindi and English. So here we can easily write number of elements in H intersection E is number of elements in H plus number of elements in E minus number of elements in H union E. We can modify this. So this is equal to Hindi can speak 550 people can speak Hindi plus 450 can speak English, and in the union there are 800 people. So 550 plus 450, we can take this 50 in this 450, it will be 500 only. So 1000 minus 800, that is equals to 200. So number of elements in H intersection E, that the number of people that can speak both Hindi and English are 200. Getting? In word problems the formulae which we are using that are very easy, but you should understand what it is asked and what it is given exactly. Okay, now we'll see the next question. In a class of 35 students, write this question, student. You can stop this videos and you can copy the questions and then you start write with me. Okay. Means afterwards no need to write this separately. If along with me only you will write it, you will solve, then only you will get the problems, whatever formula we are using, that you can get. Okay. Third, in a class of 35 students, in a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket. 24 like to play cricket and 16 like to play football and 16 like to play football. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. This is very important condition. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play? The question is, how many students like to play, obviously, both cricket and football. Okay, in a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket, 16 like to play football. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. Means there is no student that which is not playing any game. Okay, means all are playing. And how many students like to play both cricket and football? Now, student, this problem is also similar as a previous problem, because in a class of 35 students. Okay, now we'll decide whether it is a union or universal set. Union of two set or universal of set. 24 like to play cricket. Now we'll denote C for cricket, and for football F will denote. 24 like to play cricket. So this is your set C having 24 elements, and 16 like to play football. Now we'll decide now to draw the diagram intersecting circles or not, because in the next question, it is given and it's given. So obviously in the intersection elements are there. So for football we'll take 16. Okay, number of elements in cricket set, that is the number of students which those like to play cricket is 24, and for football it is 16. Now each student likes to play at least one of the two games. Means your 35, for this 35 quantity, no need to draw this universal set, or we can say this will be this 35 number as a union of two sets is given. Getting? So we have the quantities now. Number of elements in set C is 24, number of elements in F is 60, and number of elements in C union F is 35. Getting, student? How to how to select the elements are whether in a union of two sets or in the universal set. Getting now? Means by taking one by one condition you can draw the Venn diagram. Okay, and you will get that which quantities are given exactly. Now what we have to find, it is very easy. Now how many students like to play both cricket and football? Means we have to find the number of elements in the intersection of two sets C and F. It is very easy. number of elements in C intersection F is number of elements in C plus number of elements in F minus number of elements in C union F. That is equal to 24 plus 16 minus 35. 24 plus 16 is 40 minus 35, that is equals to 5. Means there are 5 students those like to play both cricket and football. Getting now? So these all questions we have seen, like a level 1 problems on the number of elements of a given, how to find the number of elements of the given sets by using the different forms, and we have seen the word problems also. Okay, so you write these all questions, solve these questions. In the next session we'll see more word problems, so that you will get how to find the number of elements in the complement of the different sets. We'll see now these forms. Okay, thank you.